Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet fingerless gloves design for modern girls, working women. Beautiful fingerless gloves design, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern, fabulous crocheting work, most demanding, most varying collection. Some are light color, dark color, color contrasts, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, granny square pattern, different designing. Some are simple and some are beautiful button-up style. Most demanding collection. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Good comment section, and you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet fingerless glove design. You can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, crochet amigurumi free pattern, different ideas, beautiful handbag, beautiful jewelry, different dresses, mind-blowing pattern. Hopefully like this, follow my channel. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be upon me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye.